Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and today is the 1st of April, so that is the start of a new month. In the Netherlands we celebrate 2 days of Easter, so yesterday was the first day and today is the second day. But I'm still working on things. I did a lot of texting today, sending out the prizes people claimed for the giveaways for the Buzz into Spring. And Yurima Shelby also did a giveaway, Paper Yuri on YouTube, one of the design team members. She reached like 500k, no, not 500k, 500 subscribers, and she had a giveaway with a few of my kids. So I was very busy today. And okay, I'm going to be honest with you, I didn't have a theme for April because April is my anniversary month. My Etsy store is celebrating its 4th anniversary on the 29th of April. And it's also my birthday within 14 days, not 40, 14 days. So it's a double celebration month. And I wanted to work with, well, not just one kit, but several kits. But I showed the design team members the 2 kits that I'm going to list in my Etsy. And and a third one that was already in my Etsy, but I really want to work with this one. And they all chosen one of the 3, well, 2 of the 3 that I suggested. So yeah, I guess we have a theme. And that is, well, not exactly a theme, but we're going to work with a photographer's work, and there's going to be 2 more extra kits. You don't have to buy all the kits, just saying. And maybe if you already purchased this one, you can join in with the challenges. I'm just going to go over this one quick. I know I have a show and tell video already, but it's I think it's handy to have them all together. This is a photographer's work. It's 25 pages. Oh, it's upside down. And it has like album pages, lots of images, portrait and real vintage pictures, like the cabinet cards. So yeah, and I did show you this one already, so you know it's already existing in my shop. It has 25 pages, and you can create a real album with this, or a lap book. That would be great also. And then we have the ephemera pieces. These are the tiny bits. And of course I have the pockets, tags. And I noticed this one doesn't have a logo. I forgot to put on my logo. But yeah, well, then we have this one, more tags, and more pages. I have this one printed twice because this one is on presentation paper and this one is not. I'm not sure if it shows, but you can see real good on the suit of the guy that this is a little bit more black, and this is a little bit more detailed. But yeah, in my opinion, it doesn't it's not like, whoa, what a huge difference, but it does make a difference. It's a little bit more bright than this one. So if you're considering buying heavier paper, yeah, maybe you want to do that. I have the same with these. Regular paper, just regular copy paper, and a little bit more sturdy. And this one just, this is a misprint because it was not straight in the printer, I think. But I didn't want to throw it away, but because I can still use it. And the same for this one. Normal paper. It's a little brighter. Yeah, it is. And then we have this one. So these are the photographer's work pages. 25 pages to work with. So this is going to be the April kit to work with. For the challenges, one of the kits to work with. And again, you don't have to purchase them all. You may, of course, but you don't have to. And then the second one is a ephemera piece package, a paper package, paper bag. And I printed the show and tell sheet, the promo sheet, but my ink was, yeah, it's almost done. So this is not the color that it actually is in real life. And then I also, I'm not sure if you know this, but this is, I think you know it. Most of you know it. I think most of you used it. This is the printer paper with the strips on the side, and it's like a zigzag fold, and you use it in a matrix printer. I'm saying it in Dutch, but we call it a matrix printer. A matrix printer, you call it. And I ripped off the sides and I printed a few of these things, elements of the kit on this paper. And I did this before I put on the logo, and also before I did a little bit of resizing. So some may look a little bit bigger, but it's slightly smaller now, because I really wanted to make sure it fit on every page. And I also backed it. These are the backing pages. Obviously the matrix printer paper is a little bit longer than an A4 size paper. Yeah, that's why I have the edge, but that's okay. I can cut it off. That's not a big issue. But I thought it was nice to have it on like the thin paper, so make it real feel like ephemera. Then we have these, and this is the background page. And I did resizing because this was very near to the border, so I did resize the one that is in Etsy. Yeah, I'm running low on ink, so I really need to, because I have another kit that really, well, if you don't like a lot of ink to be used, then maybe that kit is not for you. Look, I really like that it's showing through. And I also printed a little bit on presentation paper, no backing. So this is in the kit. I'm not sure if you can see. Maybe I should keep it like this, because it doesn't fit in the screen. Oh, and when you have this is a very large one, I know, but it's great to put in a journal as a page. Also back this regular coffee paper I printed on, no backing. This is the old printer paper, the matrix printer. We have this one, no backing. Again on the special paper from the old days with backing. So I have a lot of receipts. This is actually Dutch. Well, it is from Surabaya, like it's Indonesia. And that was a part of the Netherlands, of course, a long time ago. But this is from 1867, no, 76 until 1884. So yeah, I really like this. Again, on the old paper, I really like the red lines they used. And this is a travel document, like an identity thing, a passport thing. I don't know, I think it's from Vienna or Germany, I'm not sure. This is also part of the kit, the backing paper. And we have these, also with backing paper. Then we also have smaller pieces. And I know you can resize yourself too, but this is easy. Then you have like a regular size on here. This is printed on tracing paper. Also, I was very happy with that, because I think, well, maybe you can use them to make like pockets. And a smaller version of these. And these are the backing pages, but again, I printed on, well, this is a misprint, so that's not really presenting, but this is the backing page. And this is printed on tracing paper, again on tracing paper, and this one is also printed on tracing paper. And then you have a floral with green on tracing paper and a pink one. So these are all in those in that kit, and it's a lot. So you have ephemera for a very long time. Okay, where is the presentation sheet? I lost it. Oh, it's over here, and it's 27 pages. So you have 27 pages. I didn't count all the pieces, but there's a lot. And if you have like the old matrix printer paper, this one is not white anymore. It's a little bit yellow, cream beige, so really good. But if you have it, it's very nice to print on that paper. So this one is going to be listed in my Etsy. And then I also have one that is this one, and it's called Red Velvet, and I have it ready for I think 2 months now. Yeah, I think it was even done in December, I'm not sure, but I worked on it. Maybe it was at the beginning of January it was done. But 25 pages and lots of reds, and I enjoyed working on this. It's something different that I didn't do before, but I really like it. Has a lot of collage pages, so you can do a lot of tearing and create things yourself. Mix and match. Why do I say mix? I don't know. Or use them as journal pages, as and you can add your pictures on and then have a coffee dyed paper or tea dyed paper to write on. This one, and we have this one. We have this one. We have a collage sheet. This one. But there's a lot you can do. Then I also have some lighter versions like book page, open book page, to actually use as writing pieces. And you can use them to back up with the other prints. So you print that on the back side or glue it together like I always do. And then we have this one. And these are the ephemera pieces, tickets. And I actually made them more blank so you can use elements from the kits, but also do some stamping yourself, because I really like the stamping myself. So that's why I didn't put a lot on. Huge tags, smaller tags, side talk, more tickets, stamps. There are birdies also. Little pictures, frames. This is a smaller piece because I also have them in the bigger size. You have them in the bigger size here. I really like these. More frames. Book plates. Pockets. These are like so. More tags. You can never have enough tags. Envelope, journal cards, some circles. Maybe I'm going too fast. We have these, like book plates or bookmarks, and little fuzzy cut items over here. Journal cards, more pockets, index cards, little embellishment pieces, and again book plates. So these will be listed in my Etsy today, and they will be on sale. And there is a little bit of a sale going on at the moment, and I will tell you about that a little bit more in a minute. But these are all the pages, and the design team members, I'm just going to do this because otherwise you see every page twice. You already saw it, but we have this one to work with, and we have this one to work with, and then there's this one to work with. This is a little lighter, so if you don't like the dark colors, maybe this is more your thing. But like I said, there will also be freebies, so if you don't want to work with these, you can also work with the freebies, of course. So these will be on sale in my Etsy. I will link them down below, and also with the discount. And there is a sale going on in my shop right now. I have, I think I have almost all the listings with 50% off until the 5th of this month. It is my 5th, so to be sure, just keep in mind around your 4th, it may end, because we have time difference between us, like 7 hours. But there is a sale going on. You can see when you click on my Etsy. But like I said, the design team members are going to work with these. And there will be challenges also in LineDotArrow, of course, and then in Choose Sister Jam, Junk Journal tutorials and more. And what's the other one? Sweet Pea Papers. So we have 4 Facebook groups joining in with the challenges. And also, yeah, you can jump in with the freebies, of course. And the freebies and the challenge videos will be, the first one will be this Saturday. I'm not going to start now because I'm going to start on Saturday, the 6th of April. And then the second challenge will be on the 13th. And the third challenge will be on the 20th of April. This month, like I said, it's a celebration month. I'm not sure if I already said, but I'm celebrating my 4-year Etsy anniversary, and that is on the 29th of this month. And it's also my birthday in April, so I have 2 celebrations. Yeah, that is basically it. If you like the kits, you should hop over to the Etsy. Otherwise, we can wait for the freebies. And I'm going to, I really have to make the freebies, to be honest, because I didn't know which way it was going to go with what kits the design team members were going to pick. So, but I'm going to create them this week, and we have fun this Saturday for the first week challenge. Thank you everyone for watching. I will be back tomorrow with the winner's drawing of the 5K subby giveaway. I know I said you could enter until yesterday, but if you still want to enter, go ahead. I will include you in the drawing. When I do the name picking, after that it is closed. So yeah, just go ahead and still enter if you want to, if you haven't yet. And make sure you go to the right video, not the update video, but the original 5K giveaway video. That is from a few days ago. That is the one you need to respond to. Leave a comment why you watch my channel and use the hashtag. Otherwise you will not be entered. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye. Bye.